coming at you live and direct from No Borders.
Live and direct, the hoarders. We live, break rotors.
What's really good, y'all? So today we're really trying to figure out a intro for our videos, and this is a really sad day because
we're giving our dog away. Sucks. You're not even sad. I'm not sad. It is what it is. Like James said, it's not good or bad. It just is what it is. So we have a blue-eyed pit bull, blue-nosed pit bull. She's 9 months old, and we can no longer take care of her. Well, we can, but we just don't have time. Full-time jobs, wanting to travel and vlog. This was something that we just wanted to try out. Didn't know we would get too attached, but as you can see, Jordan just misses the cuddle sessions that will now no longer be. Me, I'm cool with it. I'm okay with letting her go and be with the family that can give her the time and energy she needs. We couldn't provide that, so I mean, if you love something, you're able to give it away. You don't hold on.
If you love something, then you don't try to make it work. When you commit to it, you never let it go.
Wait. Never committed to anything. I never said this would be long term. I said, hey, let's try it out, and if we can't do it or don't like it, you know, we'll pass her to somebody else that can.
So anyway, today's gonna be, I have a feeling it's gonna be like a sad day. So we are gonna take you guys along for a ride. We're headed to church now.
You pray first. What if before you make that phone call, you pray first? What if before you send the email on Tuesday, the reply all, you pray first? What if before you send the text and use the 5 exclamation points and the bold and the capital and the emoji, you pray first?
We are at Panera Bread now, just got out of church. Jordan's super hungry, I'm super hungry, so it's time to feed Bae. Operation Feed Bae. Panera Bread.
My stomach is growling right now. It's funny when like people stare at you when you're vlogging. Like, it's still funny to me.
What do you think they're saying?
Who they think they is? Who?
The margarine wash out.
Yeah, what's that?
It has peanut blend.
I've never seen somebody get samples at a restaurant brought to the register. You sure can?
Yes.
So basically she had to switch it around because she's trying to say that I'm too black. But anyways,
Hello,
everyone. Learning car, crowd fitness training.
Oh, what you wearing?
We ain't
What's
gonna
that?
talk.
Oh, you got the bait.
We'll see. We got a little bit of stuff on there, but we ain't gonna talk about that though. That's for another day. But anyways, we thankful anyways. You see what I'm saying?
Got a grilled cheese?
Yummy. Bella, I'm sorry.
Ready to go? Get you. Come on, let's go.
This is sad. You think she knows what's happening?
Y'all don't even like each other.
Yes, we do. We never argue. Ever. We don't, do we, Bella?
This is the most mature thing we ever did together.
What?
Giving her away. Because we couldn't take care of her. It's hard to deprive her. I don't know about you, but I feel confident in this decision.
I feel confident too, but like, Just imagine how people feel when they give their children up for adoption. Bella, ow, ow. Like, alright, looks like that's her right here. Bella, 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 Bella.
Okay.
Okay. Do for like 2 rabies shots or something else.
Okay.
So, we just gave Bella away. And it's a new season. Yeah.
Watching movies or Target?
Target. So now we're gonna go get some cleaning supplies and kind of clean up the house, because when you have a dog, it's really hard to keep things clean, honestly, like that deep cleaning.
Oh, it's real, like I don't know what happened to it.
That's crazy.
And it's been broke for like a month and a half.
Get rid of a dog, you got cleaning up, so which I ain't like the smell and none of that.
Look.